Hi guys, in this video I'm talking about how to solve quadratic inequality equation. It's more complicated than linear equation. This is an example. I need to find the value of x that make this equation less than 0. Now, now you see we have common x and x. So I will do factor way. So I bring x out. So x plus 4 less than 0. With the formula a times b less than 0. So either a less than 0 and b bigger than 0. Example, a equal minus 2, b equal 2. So minus 2 times 2 equal minus 4. Always less than 0. Or a bigger than 0 and b less than 0. So a equal x and b equal x plus 4. So that I apply the formula into the equation. So x less than 0 and x plus 4 bigger than 0, or x bigger than 0, x plus 4 less than 0. Now I rewrite x less than 0. So now I move 4 over and change side and keep x in left hand side. Move 4 over, change side. So plus become minus. Or x greater than 0, and I do the same thing. So x less than minus 4. So now I draw the graph for x. Zero and x equal minus 4 here. So x less than 0, that means any value of x must less than 0. So from 0 to minus infinity. And x bigger than minus 4. So any value of x from minus 4 to plus infinity. So if you combine them, so any value of x between minus 4 and 0, that meets the requirement. So now I draw another graph for this equation. Zero and minus 4. So x bigger than 0. So any value from x to plus infinity and x minus 4. I mean any value of x from minus 4 to minus infinity. That's impossible. You cannot find any value of x that bigger than 0 and less than minus 4. So my final solution, x less than 0 and x greater than minus 4. Okay, I do another example. So this quadratic equation bigger than or equal 0. I need to find any value of x that make this equation bigger than 0. You can do quadratic formula, perfect square, or factor way to find x. In this case, I choose to use factor way. X plus a and x plus b bigger than or equal 0. I need to find a and b based on the equation. We know the product a and b equal c from the equation, so c equal minus 4. And the sum a and b equal 3 from the equation. So I create the table to find any possible value a and b. So the first pair I have a equal minus 1, b equal 4. So minus 1 times 4 equal minus 4. And 4 minus 1 equal 3. Another pair, minus 4 and 1. So minus 4 times 1 equal minus 4. So 1 minus 4 equal minus 3. Another pair equal minus 2 and 2. So minus 2 times 2 equal minus 4. 2 minus 2 equals 0. So if you compare, the first pair satisfy the product and the sum. So a equal minus 1 and b equal 4. So now I rewrite the equation. So x plus a equal minus 1. So x minus 1 times x plus b equal 4. So x plus 4 bigger than or equal 0. We have a formula a times b bigger than 0. So either a bigger than 0 and b bigger than or equal 0. Example, a equal 5, b equal 5. So 5 times 5 equals 25 bigger than 0. Or both a and b less than or equal 0. Example, a equal minus 5, b equal minus 5. So minus 5 times minus 5 equal 25 bigger than 0. So in this case, a equal x minus 1, b equal x plus 4. So I will apply the formula into the equation. So first case, I have x minus 1 bigger than or equal 0 and x plus 4 bigger than or equal 0. Or x minus 1 less than or equal 0 and x plus 4 less than or equal 0. So now I will solve the first case and then I will come back to solve the second case. So now I keep x alone in left hand side and move -1 to right hand side and change side. So move -1 over and change side, so minus become plus. I do the same thing. Keep x alone and move 4 over and change side. So plus become minus. So now I draw the graph of x. So x equal 1 and x equal -4. So the first condition, x bigger than or equal 1. So any value of x from 1 to plus infinity, and x bigger than or equal -4. So any value of x from -4 to plus infinity. So if you combine them together, so x bigger than or equal 1 satisfy the both condition, x bigger than 1 and x bigger than -4. So now I come back to solve another case. I will do the same thing. Keep x alone and move -1 over right hand side and change side. So -1 become +1. Do the same. X less than or equal -4. So now I draw the graph of x. So x equal 1 and x equal -4. So the first condition, x less than or equal 1. That means any value of x from 1 to minus infinity. And the second condition, x less than or equal -4. So any value of x from -4 to minus infinity. So if you combine them together, so x less than or equal -4 satisfies both conditions. Example, x equal -5, -5 less than 1 and -4. So now I combine both cases together. My final solution is x bigger than or equal 1 and x less than or equal -4. I hope this video can help you. Thank you for watching and have a good day.